All right, welcome back to a morning video. Yeah, this disappointing. This my last part four was supposed to only be reading something for like 5 minutes, and I spent a whole half hour on it. And not only that, I haven't continued on this for 9 days. So yeah, but so no time to waste in this video, I guess, is one of the things that means. But ultimately, unfortunately, what it might mean is I'm just not able to keep pace to actually accomplish this goal. But here's the next thing to be read. So I'm not going to deal with the timer. I'm just going to read it as it comes. Honestly, the timer helps because otherwise, I have no idea. Should I read a whole blog? No, I should spend about 5 minutes on it. So I am going to do the timer just so I know I'm not getting way off track. Okay, so accelerate the next wave of AI robots. We've got a video to watch. We've got the introduction, the ecosystem, news and events, technology, resources, developer resources, and getting started. So we can innovate with Nvidia robotics. Everything that moves will one day be autonomous. Okay. Demand for autonomous machines and AI-enabled robots is at an all-time high as industries look to improve operational efficiency, combat workforce shortages, optimize repetitive tasks, and manage dangerous tasks or environments. With major advancements in AI accelerated computing, physically based simulation, and a vast ecosystem of sensors and actuators, today's AI robots can easily adapt, learn, and perform complex tasks with precision. Developers are using Nvidia Robotics full stack accelerated cloud to edge systems, acceleration libraries, and optimized AI models to develop, train, simulate, deploy, operate, and optimize their robot systems and software. Ecosystem. Nvidia Robotics partners and ecosystem, and I don't know what I have to read or what not. I don't like how unclear it is. So part of the partner and ecosystem is ROS ecosystem. Nvidia Isaac ROS is built on the open source ROS 2 trademark robot operating system software framework. This means the millions of developers in the ROS or ROS community can easily take advantage of NVIDIA accelerated libraries and AI models to accelerate their AI robot development and deployment workflows. Then we've got NVIDIA Jettison Partner Network. Discover a large community of partners that can help you build your full robot system with products ranging from specialized boards to AI software to application design services to sensors and developer tools. So news and events, I don't think I need to read that. AI for robotics, I don't think I need to read all of this. It's not about Isaac specifically. You know what? We do have two about Isaac. So let's just read this one here because it's specifically about Isaac. So Isaac is AI robot development. The Isaac robotics platform includes a full suite of NVIDIA accelerated systems, libraries, application frameworks, and generative AI models to help you enhance AI perception, manipulation, and simulation. So I think that should be. See now we have a deeper dive, right? So I don't know what's expected of me. Only 5 minutes are expected of me. So I assume that just means what I've just read, and then the video, and then we can move on. So let's do it like that. So we're gonna watch the video. So we can stop the timer, reset the timer, watch the video, and then move on.
It's not enough for humans to imagine. We have to invent and explore and push beyond what's been done. We create smarter and faster. We push it to fail so it can learn. We teach it, then help it teach itself. We broaden its understanding to take on new challenges with absolute precision and succeed. We make it perceive and move and even reason so it can share our world with us. This is where inspiration leads us, the next frontier. This is Nvidia Project Groot.
This is a humanoid robot that can barely even
A
stand
general
upright.
purpose foundation model for humanoid robot learning. The Groot model takes multimodal instructions
Man.
and past interactions as input and produces the next action for the robot to execute. We developed Isaac Lab, a robot learning application to train Groot on Omniverse Isaac Sim. And we scale out with Osmo, a new compute orchestration service that coordinates workflows across DGX systems for training and OVX systems for simulation. With these tools, we can train Groot in physically based simulation and transfer zero shot to the real world. The Groot model will enable a robot to learn from a handful of human demonstrations, so it can help with everyday tasks and emulate human movement just by observing us. This is made possible with Nvidia's technologies that can understand humans from videos, train models in simulation, and ultimately deploy them directly to physical robots. Connecting Groot to a large language model even allows it to generate motions by following natural language instructions.
Hi, JL1. Can you give me a high
Already
five?
watched this.
Sure thing. Let's high five.
Can you give us some cool moves?
Sure. Check this out.
All this incredible intelligence is powered by the new Jetson Thor robotics chips, designed for Groot, built for the future. With Isaac Labs, Osmo, and Groot, we're providing the building blocks for the next generation of AI-powered robotics.
Yeah, I already watched that. So anyway, moving on. So the next one is robotics simulation with Nvidia Isaac. It should be another 5 minutes here. All right, so Nvidia Isaac Sim. Nvidia Isaac Sim is a reference application enabling developers to design, simulate, test, and train AI-based robots and autonomous machines on a physically based virtual environment. Isaac Sim, built on Nvidia Omniverse, is fully extensible, enabling developers to build their own universe scene description (OpenUSD) based custom simulators or integrate core Isaac Sim technologies into their existing testing and validation pipelines. So NVIDIA Isaac Sim, it's a platform for testing, designing, and validating robots. So okay, so we've got this graph here. Sim-ready assets, environmental models, and robot models are imported. I guess it's a double arrow, so you can import this out to your own models. We got HIL, SIL for the various types of robots, it looks like. Custom robotics and simulation solutions. So then we got models, sensors, utilities, synthetic data, learning, and interfaces. And I won't read everything. And you can create a custom simulation app using the Nvidia Isaac Sim platform and using Nvidia Omniverse. And you can develop on cloud, workstation, or server. All right, so we're introducing Nvidia Isaac Lab. Nvidia Isaac Lab is a lightweight sample application built on Isaac Sim and optimized for robot learning that's pivotal for robot foundation model training. Isaac Lab optimizes reinforcement, imitation, and transfer learning that can train all types of robot embodiments, including the Project Groot Foundation model for humanoids. So we can learn more about Isaac Lab there, but here we're learning about Isaac Sim. So the key benefits of Isaac Sim are realistic simulation. Isaac Sim makes the most of the Omniverse platform's powerful simulation technologies. These include advanced GPU-enabled physics simulation with NVIDIA PhysX5, photorealism and real-time ray and path tracing, and MDL material definition support for physically based rendering. Another benefit is modular architecture for a variety of applications. Isaac Sim is built to address many of the most common use cases, including manipulation, navigation, and synthetic data generation for training data. Its modular design also means the tool can be customized and extended to many new use cases. And the final benefit, but perhaps not the only remaining benefit, is seamless connectivity and interoperability. Isaac Sim prevents Isaac Sim benefits from the Omni Universe platform's OpenUSD interoperability across 3D and simulation tools, enabling developers to easily design, import, build, and share robot models and virtual training environments. Now you can easily connect the robot's brain to a virtual world through the Isaac ROS, I think it stands for Robot Operating System slash ROS2 interface, full featured Python scripting, and plugins for importing robot and environment models. So the key features of Isaac Sim are pre-populated robots and sensors, get started faster using pre-existing robot models and sensors, explore new robot models, including FNUC and TechMan, and sensor ecosystem support for Orbic, Sensing, Z-Vision, Ouster, and RealSense. So you're going to learn more about that. Then ROS and ROS 2.0 support, custom ROS messages, and URDF slash MJCF are now open sourced. Get support for custom ROS messages that allow standalone scripting to control the simulation steps manually. Then it's scalable synthetic data generation, and that's the end of how long it should take to read this. So explore randomization in simulation added for manipulator and mobile-based use cases. Environmental dynamics and other attributes of 3D assets such as lighting, reflection, color, and position are randomized to train and test mobile robots and manipulators. And then the final key feature is SimReady assets. Take advantage of OpenUSD SimReady warehouse scenes and assets. That's kind of fascinating. Use SimReady 3D assets to create and test scenarios and exercise robot solutions across warehouse configurations. That's fascinating. Is this all open source? Because it's like you could build your own warehouse. You just buy some land out in the boondocks, and I feel like, I mean, you can't build. It's not that much ready to go. I feel like. I feel like you can't build your own warehouse. Okay, so the next is developer resources and support, and then we've got something about DevOps, which is different. So I think that 5 minute timer went off, so the time was pretty accurate there. So let's move on to the next one, and this should only take 2 minutes. Okay, so the next one is Nvidia Metropolis. Transform data from trillions of IoT devices into valuable insights using Vision AI. Oh man, I want to do this so bad. So then we've got industries, we've got build with Metropolis, we've got partners and latest news, which we can probably skip. All right, so Nvidia Metropolis is an application framework set of developer tools and partner ecosystem that brings visual data and AI together to improve operational efficiency and safety across a range of industries. It helps make sense of data created by trillions of sensors for some of the world's most valuable physical transactions. These include frictionless retail, streamlined inventory management, traffic engineering in smart cities, optical inspection on factory floors, patient care in healthcare facilities, and more. Enterprises can take advantage of Metropolis developer tools and ecosystem to create, deploy, and scale AI and IoT applications from the edge to the cloud. So Metropolis across industries, enabling transformational efficiency and safety improvements across a wide range of industries. So we can use it for smart cities and spaces to improve city infrastructure, parking spaces, buildings, and public services. So intelligent traffic systems, access control, public transit, smart buildings. There we go. We can also use it for we can use it to create a Jevons paradox. We can use it for retail and logistics to improve customer satisfaction, in-store analytics, and business efficiency. So frictionless checkout. I think that's all we got to do next is just read. We just got to read down to here, and then that will be it. This is about something else rather than Metropolis. Well, this is all about Metropolis. So the timer isn't exactly correct. Let's just finish reading it out. So yeah, retail and logistics, frictionless checkout, loss prevention, truck and goods routing, inventory management, industrial and manufacturing, improve industrial inspection, sound check, increase productivity and reduce waste on manufacturing lines, automated optical inspection, preventative maintenance, remote asset monitoring, safety and compliance, healthcare, improve patient care, ensure public safety and enhance operational efficiency at healthcare facilities. All right, so we've got temperature screening, PPE detection, patient monitoring, and surgery analytics. So you can detect whether or not the possible the best personal protective equipment is on. Okay, so build with Nvidia Metropolis. Experience greater performance and scalability using Nvidia DeepStream, Tau Toolkit microservices, generative AI, and Nvidia CUDA-X acceleration libraries. Explore the full set of Nvidia Metropolis developer tools to supercharge your AI-powered video analytics development and deployment effort. Nvidia combines digital twins with real-time AI for industrial automation. For industries with expansive factories and warehouses looking to adopt AI for automation, real-world testing is incredibly costly and complex. Nvidia Metropolis, Omniverse, Isaac, and QOpt together provide an AI gym in which users can train AI agents to help robots and humans sync with their movement. That's cool. This helps them navigate unpredictable or complex events in industrial spaces. Man, that's really cool. develop generative AI applications with Nvidia VIA. Nvidia VIA, Visual Insight Agent. Looks like it's Metropolis isn't mentioned here, but let's just read it. Is a collection of workflows to build AI agents capable of processing large amounts of live or archived videos and images with vision language models (VLM), whether deployed at the edge or cloud. This new generation of visual AI agents will help nearly every industry summarize, search, and extract actionable insights from video using natural language. All right. And then we've got Metropolis APIs and microservices for Jetson Edge AI. Tap into a powerful collection of Metropolis APIs and microservices specifically built to fast track development and deployment of vision AI applications on the Nvidia Jetson Edge AI platform. So we've got microservices here and a drawing there. All right, a few more things to get through and then we'll move on. So build smarter, safer factories with AI, improve manufacturing operational efficiency and safety with Nvidia Metropolis for factories. This is a collection of factory automation AI workflows powered by Vision AI that lets industrial solution providers and manufacturers develop, deploy, and manage customized AI solutions in factories. Making our spaces smarter with AI-enabled video analytics. A new generation of AI applications is rolling out with Nvidia Metropolis to drive incredible operational efficiencies and safety gains across a broad range of use cases. And then we can get a free e-book to learn more, and they have a partner program as well. So that's it. Took longer than 2 minutes for sure, but wait, what? Oh. Okay, so yeah, inference solutions for... Okay, well, good news. I'm completely done with the AI portion of the additional materials. So next is the GPU portion. So this is meant to be a really easy cert that doesn't take a lot of study time. That's why I'm going for it. I just need to get an easy win on my plate after after failing so many things, the LPIC, the GNCI ESP. I just need an easy win, so that's why I'm going for this. So the next one is 3 minutes of reading, just to make sure I'm not completely going off track and spending an hour on something that's supposed to take 3 minutes. I'll set the timer. If it takes me 10 minutes, then so be it, but hopefully it will take me around the 3 minutes. All right, so this is the next one, is increase AI productivity with multi-instance GPU, MIG, multi-instance GPU it stands for. And I need a break. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So, this will be about 3 minutes. We're moving on to GPUs, and we're going to learn how to increase AI productivity with multi-instance GPU, also known as MIG. So ride the fast lane to AI productivity with multi-instance GPUs. MIG mode in the Nvidia Ampere architecture can run 7 jobs in parallel on an A100 GPU. And remember, H100s are the most advanced. But the kind of cool thing about A100s is $10,000 is a hefty price tag, but it's enough for a small business to use AI. So let's see here. We've got Tensor RT, GPU MEM, all the same. We can use that for these various applications, all from the chip. So remember, after recess on a summer day, waiting at the back of a long line at the drinking fountain, now imagine a multi-headed water fountain flowing with cool goodness for all. That's the essence of the multi-instance GPU, or MIG, enabled in the Nvidia Ampere architecture. MIG partitions a single Nvidia A100 GPU into as many as 7 independent GPU instances. They run simultaneously with each each with its own memory, cache, and streaming multiprocessors that enables the A100 GPU to deliver guaranteed quality of service QoS at up to 7 times higher utilization compared to prior GPUs. And Mark Zuckerberg is staring me right in the face. The A100 in MIG mode can run any mix of up to 7 AI or HPC workloads of different sizes. The capability is especially useful for AI inference jobs that typically don't demand all the performance a modern GPU delivers. For example, users can create 2 MIG instances with 20 gigabytes GB of memory each, 3 instances with 10 gigabyte, or 7 with 5. Users create the if you have 40, then you can do that. Why can't you create 8? Okay. Users create the mix that's right for their workloads, and yeah, I'm bad at timers. Okay, so right-sized GPUs based on target workload. So MIG instance, so SMs per instance, memory per instance, instances per GPU, target workload. So okay, so training HPC, light training, inference HPC, high performance computing is what that stands for. Jupyter notebooks for development, model training, inference, light, high performance computing. The number before G in instance is number GPU compute slices. A compute slice has 14 SMs. And number before GB, so this is the compute slice, is size of GPU memory assigned to that instance. System administrators can schedule a mix of inference, training, and HPC workloads to run at the same time on a single A100 GPU. Because MIG walls off GPU instances, it provides fault isolation. A problem in one instance won't affect others running on the same physical GPU. Each instance delivers guaranteed QoS, assuring users their workloads get the latency and throughput they expect. I'll just make sure I'm not going crazy by spending too much time. Cloud service providers and other businesses can use MIG to raise utilization rates on their GPU servers, delivering users up to 7 times more GPU instances. Nvidia is a strategic partner for Google Cloud, and we are excited for them to innovate on behalf of customers, says Tim Hawkin, principal software engineer at Google Cloud. MIG makes it possible to reach new levels of efficiency and utilization of GPUs in shared Kubernetes clusters. We are looking forward to working with Nvidia and the Kubernetes community to enable these shared GPU use cases and make them available through the Kubernetes engine, Hokin said. Businesses make inference fly on MIG. For enterprise users, MIG speeds both development and deployment of AI models. MIG gives up to 7 data scientists simultaneous access to what feels like a dedicated GPU so they can work in parallel to fine-tune deep learning models for optimal accuracy and performance. It's time-consuming work, but it often doesn't require much compute capacity. A great use case for MIG. Once models are ready to run, MIG lets a single GPU handle up to 7 inference jobs at once. That's ideal for batch 1 inference workloads that involve small, low-latency models that don't need the muscle of a full GPU. The Nvidia technology is critical to serve our delivery robot platform, said Zhang Yu Guo, director of artificial intelligence at Postmates. MIG will enable us to get the most out of every GPU we deploy because it lets us dynamically reconfigure our compute resources to meet changing workload demands, optimizing our cloud-based infrastructure for maximum efficiency and cost savings, he said. Built for IT/DevOps. Users won't have to change the CUDA programming model to get the benefits of MIG for AI and HPC. MIG works with existing Linux operating systems as well as Kubernetes and containers. Nvidia enables MIG with software it provides for its A100. That includes GPU drivers, Nvidia's CUDA 11 software available soon, an updated Nvidia container runtime, and a new resource type in Kubernetes via the Nvidia device plugin. Using the Nvidia Virtual Compute Server (VCS) in tandem with MIG will deliver the management and monitoring goodness of hypervisors such as Red Hat Virtualization and VMware vSphere. The combination will support popular functions such as live migration and multi-tenancy. Our customers have an increasing need to manage multi-tenant workflows running on virtual machines while providing isolation and security benefits, said Chuck Dubuque, Director of Marketing at Red Hat. The new multi-instance GPU capabilities on NVIDIA A100 GPUs, I wonder if H100 have them, enable a new range of AI-accelerated workloads that run on Red Hat platforms from the cloud to the edge, he added. With NVIDIA A100 and its software in place, users will be able to see and schedule jobs on their new GPU instances as if they were physical GPUs. All right, and we don't need to learn more. We need to stick to what we need to know for passing the cert. All right, so the next section is the NVIDIA A100 Tensor Core GPU. And it says it should take about 4 minutes, but it's, I guess if I weren't reading out loud and if I knew exactly what to read in the page and not the extra, like, to learn more stuff, it probably would take that amount of time. This seems like it's going to be a lot longer than 4 minutes. I guess it's only 2 pages, so it shouldn't be too bad. Let me check the clock. Okay, we're at 33. Oops, and I tanked my, I think I tanked my, oh, no, I didn't. Good. Oh. Alright, I'm not feeling good enough to continue at all. So I think I'm going to end it there. Shoot. Oh man. Okay. Well, yeah, I'll want to end it here. I'm just not feeling it. So, yep, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.